Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your pure dating app membership. So all official methods you can see on your screen. So let's get started. So first of all I want to tell you, you can cancel your membership by using three ways. The first one is for Android, the second one is for iOS users, and the third one is for your directly from your app account. Okay, so you need to be like you should know like where you have taken subscription. If you have taken subscription from Android, so how you can cancel. So you can see, first of all you need to go to on your Play Store account and you need to tap on your profile icon and you need to select your payments and subscription option. Okay, and once you select your payments and subscription option, now you need to select subscription and you need to choose your subscription of, you can select pure dating app. Okay, and once you select your pure dating app, you will see cancel button. Okay, you can cancel your subscription by following these prompts. Okay, so that's it. By using this method you can cancel your subscription on Android. So if you're Android, you can select, if you're iOS user, so how you can cancel. First of all you need to click on your, you can select profile icon. In the setting icon you need to click on your you can select Apple ID, and once you click on your Apple ID you can see a subscription option, and once you click on subscription option, all the active subscription you can see on your iOS phone. Okay, and you need to select your you can select app and you can follow the prompts. By using this method you can also cancel your subscription on, you can say like iOS. Okay, so if you have taken subscription directly from the app, so how you can cancel. Okay, so you can see this is the method. You need to log in into your account in by using your app, pure dating app, and you need to select your bottom button like your, you can like mask option, and now you need to click on, you can select your eye icon. Okay, eye icon is basically a setting icon, and once you click on eye icon, there is an option like buy subscription. You need to click on this option, and I don't have any kind of subscription on this plan. That's why I'm not, you can like this is not showing my subscription. If you have any subscription on your, you can like application, then you will see subscription option. Okay, you need to select this option and you can cancel your subscription very easily. Okay, so by using these three methods you can cancel your pure dating app subscription. So if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.